I'm Richard Buxton. I have two jobs here at OMGI Global Investors. I am first and foremost a fund manager and with my colleagues run the UK Alpha Fund, but I'm also chief executive and with my colleagues help try and drive the business forward. Well, first and foremost, I brought two very close colleagues with me and another former colleague from Barings. So four of us joined on the large cap desk, added to four existing, so double the size of the team. By no means have we achieved what we want to in terms of both performance for our clients and growth in funds under management. We had a great start here. We carried on a very good, strong performance track record from 2011, 2012. 2013 was good. 14, 15, it's been a mixed picture. So first and foremost, we've got to demonstrate to our clients that nothing's changed or gone wrong and that we're perfectly capable of delivering strong returns for them. Firstly, there's no way I anticipated nor sought being given the chief executive job. This was a surprise, but it was a development that I was prepared, having thought about it long and hard, to take on. Because I do feel that it sends a massive signal internally and externally to have an investment management business that is managed by a still active investor.
Because of your analytical mind and because of the way that you've always managed money, do you think that there are some attributes from the way you manage money that you are bringing to a CEO role?
Very definitely. I'm a very long-term, low-turnover, patient investor. I will happily I'll happily watch a stock for 12, 18 months. We'll keep meeting them before I start buying. I may as well 18 months buying it because I'm going to be there for 3, 5, 7, 9 years. And that absolutely reflects, you could hire a lot of talent tomorrow and build some FUM quickly and the whole thing would fall apart because of those dyssynergies of the wrong cultures coming together. I'm usually in by 7 o'clock in the morning and try to keep the first 2 to 3 hours, 7 till 10 o'clock in the morning, completely sacrosanct for being at my desk, looking at the company results, looking at the market, macro data, looking at share price openings, discussing issues around the desk with my colleagues. And then on the business side, again, put meetings in through the balance of the day. Silly little things like actually changing some of the meetings to being on a Monday. It may seem curious, but fewer companies announce results on a Monday than on a Tuesday, Wednesday or Thursday. We're all just on one floor here in this building. No one, myself included, has a glass office. We are all open plan. There are lots of highly successful investors who are not terribly collegiate. I mean, investing is a funny business. It attracts, oddballs and loners, and I perfectly understand that. I'm one myself. But we could have hired people that could have brought a lot of funds under management, but they would not have worked well in this culture. I thoroughly enjoyed my 12 years at Traders, and I do think there's something to the fact that I did 11 years at Barings and 12 at Traders, and I felt I had one more big job in me. We're now at the stage where we are working more on some new product. We have launched a couple of things recently, a range of offshore multi-asset funds for the international platform, a gold and silver fund. We've got more things that are in the pipeline, and we've got some people we're talking to. We've got some people that we can't announce yet, but definitely are en route, and others that I think we'd like to bolster capability or introduce a new investment capability. So absolutely, there's going to be things happening through the balance of this year, and most definitely into 2017 as well.